Remember the story of the prodigal son? Hmm. He had all of these riches. And he said, Daddy, I want my inheritance. I'm a man now, so I need to go out into the world. And his daddy said, Sure, here's everything I've got for you. And this young whippersnapper went skipping out into the world, and he was so carefree. He spent all his money, and then he realized that his friends were like his money gone. And he said, Oh my God, what am I going to do? I ain't got no food. And he sat there with the swine and he fought the swine for their food. But then something happened. He said, Wait a minute, my daddy's got money. I'm going home. What happened to him? You see, we read that story and we think, that doesn't make any sense. But here's where the story does make sense mentally. Mentally, we skip along in our ignorance, our notions, in our habits. And we expend all of our energy and we get so tired of being sick and tired. And then something snaps and we say, wait a minute, life is better than this. And the moment that feeling that there is better hits you, what do? You get up and you're no longer with the swine. You change your whole life. So you see, my beautiful friends, whether you believe in scripture or not is irrelevant. It's not meant to be believed in. It is meant to be understood so that you can apply it and change your life on a daily basis.